To make your Cash App private, follow these steps. First, open the Cash App on your mobile device and log into your account. Tap the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile page where you can access your account settings. Next, scroll down to the Privacy section and select the option that says Privacy and Security. Here, you will find various settings that allow you to control who can see your activity and personal information. To make your Cash App private, toggle off the option that says Allow Tagging. This will prevent others from tagging you in their transactions, making it harder for people to find your account. You should also toggle off the option that says Incoming Requests. This will prevent people from sending you requests to join their transactions or see your activity. Another important step is to review your account visibility. You can do this by going to the profile page and selecting the option that says Account Visibility. Here, you can choose who can see your profile and activity, such as friends, public, or private. To make your account completely private, select the private option. Additionally, you should also consider enabling two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. This will require you to enter a verification code sent to your phone or email every time you log into your account. By following these steps, you can make your Cash App private and secure. Remember to regularly review your account settings to ensure that your information is protected and your account remains private. It is also important to be cautious when using the Cash App and to only send money to people you trust. By taking these precautions, you can enjoy the convenience of using the Cash App while keeping your financial information safe and private.